Hi guys, hi everyone. I greet you all. Yeah, this is the cripple bag that we constructed. I'll supply it to the owner, and we are teaching her how to drive, like just to show her sample ways to do it. As you can see, the ladies is already practicing it. Easy with her. The thing just dey like tricycle, like no be ordinary just machine. Easy. But the lady go learn am sha. Go learn am. Just see how this thing is going. See how it's just going. That box you are seeing there is just where she will be putting her small properties and small stores. The woman like he don't like the machine. He don't like he go see joy with their face now. See joy. See joy say he driver. See joy.